Hi everyone, it's Marissa from bumblebeeapothecary.com, and I'm here today with a new baby update. This is the first for this little guy, and I'm excited to tell you about his arrival. So he was born on November 5th, and it was quite an amazing birth. It was fast and smooth, and I'm still in shock. If you've watched my first two birth stories that I have uploaded, then you'll remember that my first two were not fast and easy at all. And I still need to upload my third birth story, and then after that I will do the full, complete birth story for this little guy too. But I wanted to just do a little update so you guys could meet him and see him, and since a lot of you have been asking, and I worked ahead, and so a lot of my last few videos I'm still pregnant, and then I was able to take a nice long break. He is 7 weeks old right now, and so I'm just getting back into filming videos for you guys, and so I wanted this to be one of the first ones so that you could see him and kind of hear about how he's doing and everything. So he was a big baby, 9 pounds 7 ounces, 22 inches long, and he's doing really well. He's happy and content, he sleeps so well, and we are just really enjoying him. Some little interesting things that come to mind about him are, if you watched some of my pregnancy update videos, I talked about how my other kids all had tongue and lip ties, and I was eating in a way to try to really get those nutrients in to see if that could make a difference. And while getting those nutrients in makes a difference for so many things as far as health goes, he still ended up with lip and tongue ties. And after talking to some more people about it and doing a little bit of research, I think that it ends up being sort of a genetic situation after a certain amount of generations, and that it takes more than one generation of good nutrition to be able to reverse those things. So that's what makes the most sense to me, and I just know that I still gave him a great nutritional foundation with everything that I did do. So we went ahead and had those revised right away as soon as possible, which makes a huge difference for nursing and just how content they are, because if they can nurse effectively, then they can get fattier milk and, you know, do better. So yeah, he's been doing great. So I just wanted to give you guys a little chance to meet him and hear about him and see how things are going. I'll be doing lots more baby updates along the way, as well as all the different things that I do for starting him on solid foods once we get to that point, and anything else that you guys want to hear about baby wise, make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like me to make videos on. So yeah, we are doing great. He's such a sweet baby, so happy and content, and we are just really loving him. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else who you think would like it, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.